The next generation of Toyota's popular family SUV is soon to land down under. First shown in 2019 and on sale in the US for more than 18 months, the larger new 4th generation Toyota Kluger will hit Australian showrooms in June. The popular 3-row SUV will again be sold in Australia with V6 petrol power and, for the first time locally, a petrol-electric hybrid option. The new Kluger is based on the same new modular architecture as the RAV4 and other key Toyota models. Toyota therefore says the new Kluger is safer, more comfortable and smarter than the car it replaces. It's also larger, around 60mm longer than the outgoing model. Most of this is reflected in added cabin space, along with cargo capacity. Legroom has increased in the 3rd row, and Toyota says the new cabin has a more premium ambience. An upgraded 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system finally includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, but there's no sign of a bigger new 12.3-inch unit or the 8-seat version offered in the US. Toyota's Safety Sense 2.0 technology suite boosts driver aids and active safety. New additions here include road sign assist, emergency steering assist and intersection turn assistance. In addition to autonomous emergency braking with pedestrian and day cyclist detection, active cruise control, lane trace assist, auto high beam, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, reversing camera, 7 airbags and front and rear parking sensors. Features at the top of the range include a panoramic sunroof, 20-inch alloy wheels, hands-free tailgate operation, ventilated front seats, a panoramic view monitor, leather-accented seat trim, premium 11-speaker JBL audio, and for the first time, a head-up display. All new Klugers have 5 USB outlets, remote entry and push-button start, dual-zone climate control and auto wipers and headlights, while the mid-range GXL adds tri-zone climate control, powered and heated front seats, power tailgate, sat-nav and fake leather trim. The Kluger's 3.5-litre V6 continues to output 218 kilowatts of power and 350 Nm of torque, but it now matches with a new 8-speed automatic transmission and idle stop as standard, reducing fuel consumption to 9.5 litres per 100 kilometres. The hybrid gets a 2.5-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, combined with an electric motor for each axle, developing a total output of 184 kilowatts and consuming just 5.6 litres per 100 kilometres. Once again, both front and all-wheel drive versions will be offered, but the hybrid will be all-wheel drive only, and only the top-shelf Grande petrol gets rear torque vectoring. The Kluger has long been one of the Australian landscape's top-selling SUVs and a consistent sales performer for Toyota. This bigger, bolder, smarter new model and the addition of a hybrid model will surely boost its success story further.